Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. Well, QNT has had a surge over the weekend. Talked about that in yesterday's update. Of course, a lot of you requested an update. And yeah, QNT, however, hasn't really formed another high after yesterday's update. I think we pretty much talked about QNT when it made a local top here, and the Fibonacci support area, therefore, that I communicated to you already in yesterday's video is still valid. Still relevant, and the third wave ideally here, I mean, again, you know, this is not the great structure. It's going to morph. That's what the initial three-wave move to the upside that we've seen here between August and the October highs, no, September highs, that's what it's telling me. It can really only turn into a three-wave structure, and that means we're dealing with really messy structures that can break easily, you know, and we get pretty unreliable parameters. However, you know, the idea is that we could get another high in wave 3. I mean, this potentially looks impulsive, right? And therefore I'm considering that we could be moving up here in this C wave of wave A, and the first support is at $74, $74.50. Okay, and you know, normally we say for a third wave internally within that C wave, and C waves are always 5-wave patterns, and we wanted to hold the 50% retracement. Now, it doesn't need to test it, you know, there are other Fib levels here, like the 38.2 retracement on the micro level, the 23.6 retracement, both at, well, $78.77 at $84.37 respectively. And it would be ideal if the price could hold this swing low now. Okay, one more low cannot be ruled out, but ideally the low is in. And we form one more high in wave 3. You know, I'd like to see one more high, because the third wave so far has not even reached the 123.6 extension. So it's not yet a viable third wave. To really consider that we are, you know, eventually also going to hold support for a wave 4 and then form wave 5, we would need to hold this support area, because that's the 50% retracement of the rally. And that break below that would mean that this is not an impulse, which would make it even more difficult to track. At the moment, I'm considering that maybe, you know, within this move up here in the third wave, we're dealing with some kind of a impulse, but this could be a 1, 2, you know, 3, 4, 5 potentially. So that's how I see this at the moment. It can easily change. It's not a reliable structure, but that's how I see it. We're currently still holding support. So let's see if the market can form one more high, and then I already gave you the next upside targets to watch. That's the update about QNT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.